This is the easiest unit I have ever installed. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back. Today I am going to be sharing with you how I got this glueless, easy, beginner friendly, okay? No glue, no adhesive, no gel, no mousse, no nothing. The unit is just constructed fabulously, darling. There's nothing. If it's my forehead, if it's my head, I didn't do any bleaching, any knots, okay? I took it out of the box and I put it on. I'm definitely gonna show you how I achieved this look. So if you want to see more, please continue to watch. Okay, this is it. Not gonna lie. Like, seriously? Oh my gosh, do you see that? Oh my gosh. This is it. Okay, so I was very, oh my, look at this. Okay, I'm excited because you know how you're like, how's it really gonna look? Because I'm gonna spill the tea. I'm telling you guys, seriously, like I am new to units, to wigs, especially to doing it myself. If you've been following the channel for any amount of time, last year and February, at the end of February, early March, I wanted to give my hair a break, okay? 2.5, I've got to give you a backstory so you can see where we're at, where we're going, where we've come from. So I wanted to give my hair a break, and I'm like, I don't want to do any leave out, so I didn't want to do any sew-ins, I didn't want to do any braids, I just didn't want to do that. So I said to give my hair a complete break, I'm going to try these wigs. I've never worn it before. Well, that one time, but that doesn't count because I didn't know what I was doing even more so then. But I said, let me just try it, right? And you guys, it's how many months later? I don't know how many months later, 8, 9 months later, right? And I'm still wearing them. And every unit I have ever got, I have got it from Hairvivi. I did get another unit from somebody else, but I really didn't love it that much. So I wore it here and there, but not really. And I never ever spoke about it because I didn't love it. These I love. Thank you so much to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. I truly appreciate you. I love your units. They are by far the most innovative. They are constantly trying to make it look as natural and as real as it can. And they make it easy for beginners, which I am a beginner. My hair has been braided up and no heat, no nothing. I go in and I get my braids redone. I get washed, conditioned, I get a scalp treatment, everything like that. So my hair has been resting. So I plan on wearing these units back and forth, you know, for the count of time. It just works for my life. It's easy. I work out 5 days a week. I don't want to be trying to straighten this part, leave this part out. So for my life and what I'm doing right now, this works for me. This one is supposed to be glueless, no glue, you know, no, glue, no, what is the other stuff? I don't know, spray, no nothing. So we are going to put it to the test. We're going to see, but let's just check out the profile angles, okay? The lace is still there. I haven't removed it yet. The lace is still there. Somebody tell me where though. It's still there. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna remove the lace. We're gonna come back. We're gonna style it. The only thing that I would do, or that I'm so excited, you guys. The only thing, and I'm looking up here because I'm trying to find it, but I have a mirror over here. But the only thing that I'm going to do, and I don't know how to do this yet, is dye it. Because like I said, I'm new to this, not true to this. And I'm just being honest with you. But if I could do it, you could do it. I get a lot of questions about the units all the time, the wigs, the units, you guys, I don't know what to call them, so I'm gonna call them both. And people are always like, bro, what is it? All of the information will be in the description box below. All of the specs for the unit will be, pricing, a discount code, hello, will be in the description box below. This is a 13x6. It looks like you can part it, okay, just about anywhere. Hairvivi does provide this nice recto comb. I believe that's what they call them, but you can part it on the side, you guys. Look at this. You could part it on the sides. You can part it in the middle. Now, you know, I'm a middle part girl, so, but I do play with the side part a little bit every now and then, but just look at that. Can you see this? So yeah, I'm gonna leave the middle part because like I said, I'm a middle part girl. I leave it. I wanna see how easy it is to do. No plucking, no dyeing, no nothing. This is like it right here. I'm gonna pull it in, see where my hairline is, line it up, cut the lace off, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. all the laces off. I try to not cut as much lace. Like I said, I'm new to this. I've never really cut the lace off before. Even off my other units, I always went to the hairstylist and she cut it off. And so this is my first time and it was so easy. Oh my gosh, it was so easy. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder, and God, I'm super excited because I can do this myself. Do you know how much money I am going to save? It really is that easy. I don't really like a whole lot of curls, so I'm not gonna put a whole lot of curls, but you guys, look at this. Let me give you a close-up. This is it. Like I said, I didn't want to take off too much of the lace. Let me zoom you in so that you can see it a little bit more up close. So this is it here. Like I said, I left a lot of the lace on because like I said, you'd rather cut off too little bit and have more left than too much. I don't like baby hair, I should say, because I'm really not sure what to do with it. So I didn't want to leave out any baby hairs or anything like that, but this is the realness of it. And the lights are bright, so it's going to make the colors look a little bit, but you can always take like your makeup or your foundation or your concealer, or no, not your concealer. What did they say? Your foundation or your your bronzer, and you can touch that up and make it blend in with your skin a little bit. But for the naturalness of it, it's definitely giving. Like I said, this is a 13x6. This is the HD natural looking scalp. I didn't do anything. I didn't bleach any knots. I didn't tweeze anything because I'm not good at that, although Hairvivi does provide you a nice tweezer. However, I'm not the girl that's going to be tweezing. I needed to come right out of the box and just be able to put it on, cut the lace off, and go. Like, look at this. This is not, okay, this is not glued. It does have the piano keys in the back here so that you can tighten it up here with the Hairvivi strap. I'll show you guys that as well, but this is the back, how it looks here. This is the sides. This is if I wanted to take it all back. And like I said, you would go around that hairline with a little bit of makeup and touch it up if you wanted to. I'm really not that girl. I'm not here for all the fuss. I know what it is. It's a unit. It looks natural. The part, if you wanted to do that, you can go in there and do that too. Like I said, the part doesn't look like that in real life. It looks really natural in real life, but under all the lights, it does look a little bit redder than what it actually is. Like I said, you can part it anywhere. You can, with this scalp here being a fake scalp, you can part it to the side if you wanted to. I typically wear my hair in the middle part, so I'm good like this. 13x6 bleach frontal HD lace. It's pre-plucked. The hairline is there. Elastic band piano keys in the back, and I am here for it. So let's straighten it out a little bit because you see that bump there. You guys, I'm super excited. There's not a lot I can say about it. I mean, it really was just that easy. I seriously could go somewhere just like this. I probably could pull this back even a little bit more. But like I said, for it being my first time right out the gate, you guys, I feel like it's very easy. Look how that straightens too. I mean, the flat iron is amazing tooling, but it does flatten and straighten really well. The hair quality is really good. It feels really good. It feels soft to the touch. It's selling itself. I don't have to sell you on it. It's selling itself. You guys, sorry. Give me 2.5 seconds. I do have a coffee here. Do I need this coffee? No. Do I want it? Yes. And you guys, it's a cold brew from Starbucks. It's a cold brew. These lights are causing me to sweat. Now, you see these flyaways here? I do have this here, which is a Cheraye styling stick. Is that what it is? Cheraye styling stick. Yeah. And you can put this on here. I would not recommend putting it right on the hair because sometimes it's too much and it makes the hair kind of oily and greasy. But if you can, you could just put a little bit for a natural shine. Like I said, this is the part that gets me. That is the part that gets me because my hair is not being, you know, glued. I don't have to worry about glue sticking to the hair. This is a great benefit because you don't have to worry about it snatching out your edges. You know what I mean? You don't have to worry about it snatching out your edges. You don't have to worry about, you know, sleeping in it, keeping it on. I don't have to worry about working out in it. It's just so easy, so convenient, so beginner friendly. It's just that easy. You can pull it back a little bit. I probably have it up a little further, but you can pull it back. I'll probably play with it a little bit and see exactly where I want to have it and everything like that. But I mean, I'm completely satisfied. I mean, the fit is good, the angles are good. You can put it back in a ponytail. Like I said, you can part it any way you want. If you're not a middle part girl, you can definitely do a side part. As I stated, I am a middle part, but it is pre-plucked, it is pre-bleached, and I did nothing. You've seen it. I took it out of the box, I put it on my head, and I cut off the lace, and we're good to go. This is it. I don't like curls. I'm wearing it and giving it to you how I would really naturally wear my hair. Maybe I would put a few curls in it. I mean, I don't know, you guys. I'm not a curl girl. Maybe because I really don't know how to curl. I know they're always like curl away from your face, but I'm really not a curl girl. Oh, see, this is not giving. Probably because I don't know how to curl. I don't know if I'm doing this right or what have you, but I just want you guys to be able to see that it does take curl, especially if she knew what she was doing. But you see that there? Gosh. Oh. Hello? Excuse you? Sit where? Please, never. Oh my gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. Like I said, I wanted to keep this in a center part, but as I stated, you guys, you can definitely take it over. Oh, maybe I will make it a side part. Look at that. Even up close, you can still make it a side part. So you could make it a side part, but I like the center part, so we're gonna stay with the center part. Like I said, if you are looking for like tweezers, anything like that, when you do order with Hairvivi, they do have all of this that comes with the unit. And not only that, if you already have a unit and you just want some utensils for it, is that what they call it, utensils for it? You can always go on their website and you can get like the comb, you can get the, I believe they even have like wig grips where you can put it on, like a plastic grip to help it stay in place. The shine, you out of the box. Can we just say out of the box? This is out of the box, darling. This is the look, you guys. This is it. This unit was super, super easy to install. It is beginner friendly, okay? It is, but there's not much more I can say about it. Wait till I get her to dye it black, okay? These lights are bright, but I wanted to bring you guys in. Let me get you a close up. That is it for this video. Again, you guys, all of the information will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out for a discount code that will be there as well. Again, thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring today's video. I truly appreciate you, and I absolutely love my unit, darling, so thank you so much. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darling. Thanks for watching. Bye.